New survey accounts usually have to complete profile questions before receiving the surveys that match their interests, which means a new account does not always start earning immediately. By the end, you'll know how new survey users can find legitimate opportunities, what to check before joining, and how to avoid wasting time on low-quality survey platforms. The first step is completing your profile accurately. Survey platforms use your answers to match you with available studies, so incomplete information can reduce the number of surveys you receive. Fill out every profile section honestly, and keep your information updated if your situation changes. The second step is checking the payment system before creating an account. A legitimate survey site should clearly explain how rewards work, what options are available, and what conditions apply before you can redeem anything. Read the reward rules before spending time completing surveys. The third step is understanding that survey availability depends on your profile. Two people using the same platform can receive different survey invitations because companies look for specific types of participants. Complete surveys that match your profile instead of trying to force answers that do not apply. New accounts should also pay attention to survey length compared with the reward offered. Some surveys may take more time than others, and the reward should make sense for the effort required. Check the estimated time before starting a survey so you can choose better opportunities. Another important factor is avoiding platforms that ask for unnecessary personal information. A survey site may need basic profile details for matching, but you should understand why information is being collected. Review the privacy settings, and only provide information you are comfortable sharing. A common mistake is signing up for many survey sites without testing any of them. Too many accounts can make it harder to track rewards and manage notifications. Start with a small number of platforms, learn how they work, and keep the ones that provide a better experience. Getting paid from a new survey account depends on choosing a reliable platform, completing your profile, and understanding the reward rules. Your next step is to read the payment terms before joining any survey site and check how rewards are earned and redeemed. If this guide helped you avoid survey scams and choose better options, like the video, and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, reward platforms, and online money tools.